What is up, guys? Today we have a video live from RJD, Richard J. Donovan Chiropractic Services. A lot of people seen this video already. I just want to put it up here for historic purposes. Let's take a look.
Where's your gloves, man? See, get the fuck out of here, T. Hey, T. T. Yo. Hey, T. Hey, T. Hey, T. T, get the fuck out of here. Yo. That's a song, T. That's good, yeah.
Well, there you go. There it is, folks. The RJD Chiropractic Services live, loud. Now, I believe both those officers were fired. The one who got his neck cracked and the one who stood idly by are no longer employed. And somebody took that video. That was body cam footage. Someone recorded that video off of a review monitor. Man, don't know what happened. I just heard that those two officers for sure were fired. So I don't know what you guys are out there doing at RJD. I heard it's a tough place to work, though. Anyways, the real shit. I'm out of here.